This is, I don't know what to say. It's one of those places you just have to experience. I'm just about to set off to a place called Rumesco, where we're gonna go do some cable car ride to the top, have something to eat, and then get the bob down. You'll see what a bob is if you don't know. Glacial water, great to swim in, but today we haven't got our stuff. Oh, it's too cold. We're wussing out, we're chickening out. I'm in Rumesco, Italy, and it is fantastic here. forest. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly, but it's beautiful. There's the house just there, also gorgeous, and the river, how it gets here, and up in the hills you can see. And then here where we've arrived, we just parked the car for a bit just to see the scenery. Not much going on here apart from the scenery itself. So guys, we're up in the hills. I think we're about 1,000 to 1,200 meters above sea level. This is, I don't know what to say. It's one of those places you just have to experience. It's fantastic. So as you know, I've probably mentioned this already to you, but we came from Romania to Hungary. We stayed overnight, and then from Hungary we're back here. We came to Slovenia, and then from Slovenia we came to Italy here, near here, and then from here we're going to go to France and then back to England. So it's been an epic road trip. Thanks for keeping up with us. I hope you enjoyed the sceneries. I'm going to have some quality time with my family now, and then I'm going to catch you back. Just want to recap where we are. We're in Italy. We just came back from Romesco. We're heading down to the Lake Ortega and then back to our hotel. I've not shown you yet, but you'll see the hotel when we go back. I'll show you inside the hotel. It's a very old hotel with very mixed reviews. We chose this hotel purposely because of the mixed review it had, and to show you, the reviews are not always to be trusted. Sometimes reviews are just people just venting their frustration, and they may not have had a genuine reason to leave a negative remark in the first place. I'm just loving this. Have a look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Anyway, let's move on. See you in a bit. told off for swimming in Lake Orta. There's two of them, it looks like a couple.
Sì, vai, lì San Maurizio, vai. Sì,
Telling him to
vai,
get
vai.
off the water.
Se non muori prima arrivi a San Maurizio. Ma dove andate? Dove andate? Oh, cioè che c'è il motore dietro. Fermo lì, ma qui, fermo lì, stai lì.
As I said, it's an old place, but it's lovely here. It's everything. There's furniture here. It's proper furniture. It's not IKEA made. It's actual proper furniture made in the 60s or 70s, and it's wonderful. I actually like it. There are reviews online that say it's not nice or it's outdated, but I think it's fine. There's also a balcony. Let's have a look at the balcony. There. Just about see the mountains there. What more do you need? I'm in Motorone, Italy, and you just saw the scenery behind me. It's absolutely fantastic here. In the far distance there you can see the mountains, Swiss mountains. Over there you can see Mont Blanc, Matterhorn, and so on. And you can see a little town there where my finger is pointing. I don't know if you can pick it up. Those bells you hear ringing are the cows and the sheeps that's been herded in the area, and to scare off the predators. Yeah, it's sensational up here. That was fun. Alright guys, that was definitely fun. Now it's going to take me back up again. There you go. Not bad. It lasted about approximately 2 minutes, and I paid for 3 of us £19.50 or €19.50. So it's not too bad. Is that like a majority there?